First up, guys, is Manta. Excited for this, my second B&M flying coaster ever. Let's go, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was so much fun. Oh, that pretzel loop is so intense. Wow. Felt all my double chins going on the pretzel loop. How much fun was that? That was so cool. Really, really enjoyed that ride. It was so much fun, as you can probably tell on the video. It's so much more intense than Galactica. Obviously, it's higher, it's faster, it does more. But that's my only experience, so I have to kind of, you know, relay to that. The seats felt exactly the same generation, it felt like. What you didn't see though is when you're on the front row, when I got off, I bumped my head when I got off because it tilts you back and then back again, and it's higher than what it usually is. So, all right, so we didn't go in Expedition Cafe in the end because they don't open till 11. So that dining all day doesn't include breakfast, so bear that in mind. But just over by the guest services, I have got quick queue now and a printout. So if you're worried about taking your phone into the station, you can get a printout from guest services. So there we go. But there's a dolphin nursery, little dolphins.
Oh, I see one.
Oh, baby dolphins. How cute. All right, our next coaster on this quick trip to SeaWorld. See what I did there, because we got quick queue. By the way, I've only queued probably, the most we queued was Manta, and that was about 5 minutes. And once we got into the quick queuing on. But that at the moment's got the biggest queue line. You know what they say about the coaster closest to the entrance? Biggest queue. Down there and up and back, and I don't think that's zero. I don't think that's a zero. I'm gonna get a quick queue for this because most of the rides I want to go on next are all over that back end of the park. So yeah, so I'll probably do this icebreaker this once, and yeah, if it's quite later we'll come back. But here's icebreaker, and then straight over. Thank you. There you go. You guys ready to ride? Let's go, icebreaker. All right, here we go. You ridden before? I've never ridden before. Safe? All the way to oh, here we go. family coaster. But the second piece after the top hat, so much ejector, it was crazy. Ejector, lots of tipping out. Yeah, good ride. That's a good addition to the park, because I've done most of the other coasters now. That's a good step up. That's a good step up before Mako. I would say that would be the one you do before you do Mako. Gets you used to that free feeling. But it's a great ride. Loved every second of it. It's really warm. Sorry if I'm a sweaty mess. But if you just look over here, you can see the works going on for the new attraction, which is obviously we know now is the B&M Surf Coaster, the new B&M Surf Coaster, the new style of B&M, which I think, from looking at the layout, to looking at Mako, to looking at Icebreaker, and to looking at Mako, and everything else that is in this park, it will fit in so well. I'm hyped to come back and ride that new coaster when it's built. So that's where it's being constructed there, around the back. But yeah, Icebreaker is a fantastic roller coaster. Do not skip coming to SeaWorld. There we go. Wow, that was cool.
The other one was not like that.
That was so good. That was so good. Did you enjoy it?
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop inside the station.
Waited so long for this. Got front row. I'll talk for you guys while we're up the lift hill. So this ride has always felt very special to me. It's always felt like a coaster I've always wanted to do. And this is one of the main reasons why I'm out here at the moment. Just look at this view. Stunning. Alright, enough with me. Let's go. That's so good on the front. That was incredible. What a ride. That was so good on the front.
$200
Right guys, that's going to do it for our quick visit to SeaWorld, our literal quick visit to SeaWorld. We've ridden all the major coasters, all the major rides, and now we're going to head to Universal Studios for the first time, because we've not actually been into the studios section. Got Gringotts coming up, we're going to try and ride Hagrid's, aren't we, before we go? And we're going to try and ride a Velocicoaster as well, one last time. Ooh, it's a busy day. Let's go. Oh my god, what a roller coaster. And I am so proud right now because Danielle just rode Hagrid's. That is a massive